Which of the following is not a section break type? Odd page, even page, next page, column.
Next column.
Correct. Section break is of four types. Next page section break, continuous section break, even page section break, odd page section break. Which of the following is not a basic text formatting feature? Italic, underline, capitalize, bold.
Capitalize.
Capitalize. Capitalize.
Correct, capitalize. How many different methods are there to save a document? One, two, three, five.
3.
Three.
P.
Using Ctrl plus S, by file option, using quick access toolbar. Which is the default body font in MS Word 2007? Arial, Calibri,
Calibri.
Livery
Campi.
body.
Calibri.
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 Correct, Calibri. Which of the following type of section break helps to start a new section on the same page in MS Word? Even page, odd page, insert page, continuous.
Insert page. Insert
Continuous.
page.
Continuous section break helps to start a new section on the same page in MS Word. The two types of page orientations are portrait and dash
Landscape.
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 landscape. Which method can be used to write a line of text? Control plus R, I, J, Z.
R.
R.
Control plus R.
Correct. Control plus R. Next. Which key can be used to select multiple words, lines, or paragraph in MS Word? Control, Shift, Alt,
Control.
F5.
Control.
Control.
Correct. Control key. In MS Word, which of the following view option shows the content of a document in the form of bullet points? Outline, print layout, web layout, draft.
Print layout.
Print layout.
Outline. In MS Word, outline to shows the content of a document in the form of bullet points. It comes under View tab. What will happen if you press Ctrl plus Y while working MS Word?
Redo.
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 Correct. The last action will be redone. In MS Word, document orientation is set dash by default. Portrait, landscape, north, print view.
Portrait.
Portrait.
Portrait. Portrait.
Correct, portrait. Which is not a valid menu item in MS Word 2016? Insert, review, tools, home.
Tools.
Review.
Tools.
Tools, correct. Tools न था. Insert, review, home tab था. Menu item था. MS Word रे tools menu item न था. Which keyboard shortcut is used to cut the selected text in MS Word document?
Control X.
X.
Control X. Control X.
Control plus X. In which menu or tab Start Mail Merge option is available in MS Word? Review, mailings,
Mailing.
references.
Review.
Mailing.
Correct. Mailings. Mailings. Which keyboard shortcuts is used to move text from one place to another in MS Word? Didi tab. Dita command.
Control X. Control V.
Correct. Control X,
Copy.
Control V. Correct.
Cut paste.
The Control X, Control V. Which keyboard shortcut is used for paste command in a computer keyboard?
Control
Control
V.
V.
Control plus V. Correct. Which keyboard shortcut is used to create a new MS Word 365 document? Control plus N.
Control
Control
N.
N.
MA.
Control N. N.
Correct. Correct. Control plus N for nose. Which option is used to move data from one place to another in a document? Cut, paste, copy, cut and paste.
Cut
Cut
and
and
paste.
paste.
Cut and paste.
Cut and paste. A dash is a large capital letter used as a decorative element at the beginning of a paragraph.
Word up.
Drop
Word
cap.
game.
Correct. Drop
Drop
cap.
cap.
Drop cap. Which keyboard shortcut is used to copy the formatting of selected text in MS Word? Copy
Format painter.
formatting. Nine nine.
Smart
Keyboard
printer.
shortcut. Copy the formatting of selected text in MS Word. Alt plus Shift plus
Control
C.
C.
Control plus Shift plus C. Shift plus C. Control plus Alt plus C.
Control.
Control Shift
Control
plus
plus
C.
Alt plus C.
Control plus Shift plus C is the shortcut key used to copy the formatting of selected text in MS Word. Normally the format painter रही जाए. Shortcut key है Control plus Shift plus C. Which tool in MS Word copies the entire format and style of selected text? Formatter, format painter, format brush, format selector.
Format painter. Format
Format painter.
painter.
Correct. What is the shortcut key to center align the selected text?
Control E.
Control plus E. Control E.
Correct. Which menu item contains line numbers command, which is used to add line numbers in the margin for each line of the document in MS Word? Home, insert, page layout, references.
Home.
Page. Page.
Correct. Page layout tab contains line number command. In MS Word, you can display find and replace dialog box by pressing which function key? F4, F5,
F.
F2.
F5.
Correct. F5. Which shortcut key is used to enter EndNote in MS Word? EndNote in MS Word. Control plus Alt plus D. Control plus Alt plus F. Alt plus Shift plus X. Alt plus Shift
Control.
F12.
Control alt.
D. Fast. D. Faster.
Correct. Control plus Alt plus D. EndNote. There is word Haryana in many places in a document. It needs to be removed from all the places in the document. Which is the correct command to do this? Option hala search and delete all, find and replace all, find and delete all, search and replace all.
Find
Find
and
and
delete.
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 Command ଥାଏ find and delete.
And then
ସେଇଟା
replace ଥାଏ.
replace ଆଉ ଯୋଉ
Find replace.
Find and replace. Pressing Ctrl plus D key invokes which dialog box in MS Word? Font,
Font dialog.
find, sorry, font, correct. Font dialog box. Which keys are used to remove the entire formatting of a selected text? Remove the entire formatting of selected text in MS Word document. Control plus Shift plus space bar, Shift plus space bar, Control plus space bar, Control plus Shift plus F3.
ଏଇଟା ହବ control
Shift
shift
plus
space bar.
Shift plus spacebar.
Control plus space bar is used to remove entire formatting of a selected text in MS Word document. Control plus space bar. In MS Word, what is the shortcut key for print preview? Control plus F2, Control plus F12,
2.
Control
Control
F2.
plus
Control
F4.
F2
F2.
F2
Correct.
control plus F2.
F2, correct. Control plus F2. Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are printed. Control plus F1, Control plus F2, Control plus Shift plus F1, Shift plus F2.
Shift F2.
Shift F2.
Says in the
S.
print preview
Control.
को ही बुलेगी कहिଛି से. Control plus
ହଁ control F2
F2.
Shift F2
Control F2.
Control plus F2.
control.
Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are printed. In MS Word, what is the function of Control plus right key? Moves
Right
Right
align.
replace right
Right
ଲେଖା ହବ
alignment.
right alignment.
moves to next character, moves to next page, moves to next word, moves to next paragraph.
Next word.
ୱାର୍ଡ କୁ କଣ କରିବ? ପଏଣ୍ଟର କୁ କୋଉଠିକି ନବ?
next page.
Next word moves to next word. Control plus right.
Next word ହବ.
What is the shortcut key to open the font size box? Font size box. Control
Control F.
P, Control plus Shift plus P, Alt plus P, Alt plus Shift plus P.
Control plus shift plus
Control
Control
Shift P.
Shift P.
Correct. Control plus Shift plus P. Open font dialog box. Which shortcut key is used to go to the previously opened program? Previously opened program.
Alt tab.
Alt plus tab, Alt plus Shift plus tab, Control plus home, Control plus N.
Alt
Alt tab.
Shift Tab. Alt Shift Tab. Tab.
Alt plus Shift plus tab होगा to switch previously open program. A switch between open programs होगा Alt plus tab.
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ହବ alt tab.
To insert header and footer, we click on which menu? Insert, format, file, edit.
Insert.
Insert.
Correct. Insert. An application on desktop can be opened through shortcut by what? Double clicking on its shortcut, right clicking and choosing open option, selecting the icon and pressing enter, all of these.
All
all
of
of
these.
All
these.
of this.
All of these.
Correct. Which feature of MS Word helps to repeat content at the top of every page without adding it on every page? Header, link,
Header.
comment,
Header.
box. Correct.
Header.
Header. In MS Word, to remove paragraph formatting, one must press which shortcut key? Remove paragraph formatting. Control plus Y, Q, M, J.
Q key.
Control Q. M.
Q.
Control plus Q, correct. To remove paragraph formatting. In MS Word, which keyboard shortcut is used to font style of selected text to italic? Alt plus I, Control plus I,
Control I.
plus U, Control plus
Control I.
Control I.
Control I. What is the smallest font size that can be applied to text in MS Word document? 8, 8,
8 है
10, 12.
8.
8.
8.
8.
1, 1, correct. By default कहते हैं
11
8.
11
11. 11.
11.
11.
11. Default.
ଆରେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଥାଇପାରେ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି ଯୋଉଥିରେ
ନାଇଁ 8 ରୁ 72 ଯାଏଁ ଥାଏ।
by default 11 ବା
ବାଇ ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି କେତେଟାରେ 8 ଥାଏ କେତେଟାରେ 11 ଥାଏ କୋଉଟା କି ଜାଣି ନେକ୍ସଟ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ଫଣ୍ଟ ସାଇଜ ଲିମିଟ ଇନ MS Word 2007 1 to 100
ବାସ୍
72.
1 to
ବାସ୍
200 1 to 1638 8 to 637
1 to 1638
1 1638
correct 1 1638 in MS Word, which of the following menu includes insert row or column in table? Design, layout, insert, page layout.
short
Insert.
In MS Word, layout menu contains insert row or column. What is the maximum number of columns that can be inserted in a table in MS Word 2007? 32,
65
53,
ବୋଧେ.
63, 42.
63
63. 63.
63.
63, correct. In MS Excel, what is the shortcut key to launch open dialog box?
control O
Control
Control O.
option ହେଲା Alt plus F12, Control plus F12, Shift plus F12, F12.
alt F12
Control plus
Alt.
F12.
alt F
Control plus F12. Control plus F12. What is the keyboard shortcut to redo the last operation in MS Word document?
dot Y
Control Y.
Control
Y
Y.
Y.
Control plus Y. What is the shortcut key to undo the last action in a document in MS Word?
Control Z.
Control Z.
Control Z. What is the default number of cells in a MS Word table with 2 rows and 3 columns?
6.
6, correct. What is the shortcut key used to add a hyperlink in MS Word application?
Control
Control K.
Control K.
Control plus K.
To insert a table of contents in MS Word document, you have to go to which menu?
insert
To insert a table of contents, layout, references, insert, design.
Layout.
layout
Layout.
କ'ଣ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଅଛି କି?
ସେଟାରେ ଗଲା ଲେଆଉଟ୍ ଏଟାରେ ଇନସର୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଥିବ ଅଛି।
layout ରେ ତ table ନାହିଁ।
ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ସେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମାଟରେ ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ରହୁଛି ଇନସର୍ଟରେ କେଉଁଥିରେ ତାର ଆନ୍ସର ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେବ ତ ପଚାରିବିନି ଏମିତି activating show or hide option in MS Word displays the spaces between words as dashes, dots, comma, arrow. Activating the show or hide option in MS Word displays the spaces between
dash
words as
dashes
dots,
Dot.
dots, dots. Show or hide option activate कले वार्ड भितर जो स्पेस था ताकू डॉट आकार देखाए which symbol is used for referencing numbered section of a document in MS Word numbered section
Ampersand.
कौन कहती अब कौन पढ़ती मु भी जाननी हो एंड स्टार कौन गोटे एटा के जन भगवान जाने आ गोटे सेक्शन सिंबल
star
सेक्शन सिंबल किंतु केमती कहबी एटा एस तळे एस एमती टाइप रो
Ampersand କି?
ना नुह सेटा एस तळे एस साप भलिया ହେଇଛି ପୁରା
ଡଲାର କି କଣ?
ଡଲାର ବି ନୁହଁ ଏସ୍ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଛି ପୁରା ଏସ୍ ତଳେ ଏସ୍ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ତ ସେଇଟା ସାପ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଛି ତ ସେଟାକୁ ସେକ୍ସନ ସିମ୍ବଲ କହନ୍ତି ତ ସେକ୍ସନ ସିମ୍ବଲ ଇଜ ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ଫର ରେଫରେନ୍ସିଂ ନମ୍ବର୍ଡ ସେକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ଏ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଏମଏସ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ to move the cursor to the end of the line of text in MS Word you have to press which keyboard shortcut home
Control End.
end control plus end shift plus home
control end
Control plus End.
Control and
end the line of text ହେଲା move the cursor to the end of line of text
ଖାଲି end
Line
end.
ହେଲେ end ଖାଲି।
ଖାଲି end.
end correct move the cursor to the end of the document
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ହେଲେ Control End.
correct control plus end using the end key in MS Word processor moves the cursor to the end of the what
line
Line.
line
Line.
line the blinking symbol on the screen computer screen when you open any text editor is called what palm cursor
Cursor.
mouse
Cursor.
cursor correct in MS Word which option controls spacing between words left alignment right alignment justification center alignment
Justification.
justification
Justification.
Justification.
correct in which view header and footers are visible normal view page layout view print layout view draft view
Please, page
Print
layout.
layout.
Page layout.
Page
print layout view header and footer is visible in print layout view it shows the document as it will appear when printed which view in MS Word shows the tree-like structure of the document to the users full screen view outline view print layout view web layout view
Web layout.
Print
tree-like structure କହିଛି
layout.
outline view ଏଟା 3-4 ଥର ପଢିଲାଣି outline view in MS Word shows the tree-like structure of the document to the users in which view menu bar is hidden not displayed in MS Word web layout view draft view
Web
full
layout.
screen reading view outline view
Dra-
Full
Full
screen
screen.
reading view. Full screen reading view. ଏବେ ତ full screen ଆସିଯିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଦେଖେଇବ ସେ କିଛି।
full screen view ତ ସାର୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଏବେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ
ହଁ
2007
ଡବଲ ଟ୍ୟାପ କଲେ ଆସେ, ଡବଲ ଟ୍ୟାପ କଲେ ତା
2007
ଉପରେ।
ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଥିଲା।
ହଁ ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା।
ଏକ୍ଜାମ ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆସୁଛି 2007 କୁ ନେଇକି। ୟୁଜିଂ ହୋମ୍ କି ଇନ୍ MS Word, processor moves the cursor to the beginning of what?
ଫାଇଲ ଅପସନ୍
Line.
ଆଇଦର ଲାଇନ୍ ନହେଲେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଆଉ। ଲାଇନ୍ ହୋମ୍ କି
Line.
ଲାଇନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ୟୁଜ୍ କଲେ ଯାଇକି ତମର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ। On which menu bar is spelling tool located? Formula, review, insert, page
ୟୁ
down.
ରିଭ୍ୟୁ
ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ରିଭ୍ୟୁ
Review.
Review menu. A dash color underline indicates grammar errors in MS Word document. Red,
ରେଡ୍
ରେଡ୍
Green.
କଲର
Green.
ନା ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍
କଣ କହୁଛ?
ରେଡ୍ କଲର
ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ନା ବ୍ଲୁ?
Green color.
ବ୍ଲୁ ବ୍ଲୁ
Green color, correct. Green color indicates grammatical errors. ହେଲା next. How will MS Word respond in case a word is immediately repeated? A green wavy line, a red wavy line, a blue wavy line under the repeated word? None of these.
ବ୍ଲୁ
Blue. Blue.
ବ୍ଲୁ
Blue.
Red wavy line is formed at the
ରେଡ୍
bottom
ଟା
of
ସେଟା
the
ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଲେ,
Spelling mistake ରେ red
spelling
ଆସେ।
error ରେ ବି
ସ୍ପେଲିଂ
ଆସିବ,
ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଲେ ରେଡ୍।
spelling error ରେ ବି ଆସିବ, ତାପରେ repeat ହେଲେ ବି ଆସିବ। ଦିଟା ଯାକରେ ହେଲା। red wavy line is formed at the bottom of the repeated word. ଯୋଉଟା repeat ହବ ତା ତଳେ ଆସିବ red. Next. In MS Word document, red wavy underline mark appears under letters dash, spelling error, grammar error, address block, printing error.
Spelling. Spelling
ସ୍ପେଲିଂ
error.
ଏରର।
Correct. To move from one cell to another in a sequence in MS Word table, which key is used?
ଟ୍ୟାବ୍
Tab.
Shift, Enter, Tab, Spacebar. Correct. Tab key. In MS Word table, Tab key is used to move from one cell to another cell. What is the least number of rows that can be in a table in MS Word? 1, 2, 4, 8.
8ଟା
Minimum number of row କହିଛି ଗୋଟାଏ ଠିକ ଅଛି 1 ହବ।
One.
ଗୋଟିଏ ହବ।
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ତ ହେଲେ ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ହେଲା 1।
ହୁଁ
Next, which command deletes personal information added to a file in Word MS Word? Encrypt document, inspect document, protect document, insert table of authorities.
ଏନକ୍ରିପ୍ଟ
Encrypt.
ଏନକ୍ରିପ୍ଟ
Inspect document. Inspect document. To change selected text to all capital letters, you have to click the change case button and click on what? Uppercase,
କ୍ୟାପ୍ସ ଲକ୍
lock upper, caps lock, upper all.
ଅପର କେସ୍
କ୍ୟାପ୍ସ ଲକ୍
Uppercase. Uppercase.
ଅପର କେସ୍ ସେଟା।
Okay. Which key is also called? अरे mute करो. Which key is also known as toggle key? Caps lock, num lock, both, shift key.
ବୋଥ୍
Both. Both.
ବୋଥ୍ ବୋଥ୍
Caps lock, only caps lock is known as toggle key. Which key is used to type capital letters? Caps
ସିଫ୍ଟ
lock, enter,
Caps lock.
tab,
Caps
backspace.
lock.
Correct.
କ୍ୟାପ୍ସ
Caps lock. What is the keyboard shortcut to double the line spacing for current selection? Control plus D, Alt plus D, Control plus 2, Alt plus 2.
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଟୁ
Alt plus D.
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଟୁ
Control plus 2, correct. Apply double spacing for current selection. Single line spacing, Control plus 1. ଆଉ Control plus 5 କ'ଣ?
ସାଇଜ ଇଏ କରିବ
Apply 1.5 line spacing. Which of the following is not a case change feature in MS Word? Capitalize each word, toggle case, uncapitalize each word, sentence case.
uncapitalized.
On capitalize each word ନଥାଏ। If you apply toggle case option in MS Word to the sentence good morning, what will be the output? In small letters good morning, capital letters good morning, G capital then all small g then all capital, then small m then all capital.
Small
G,
Third of the third of
G,
Last.
Correct. Toggle case रे फास्ट स्मॉल हबो तापर कैपिटल गोटे वर्ड रो सेमती जेते वर्ड थिबे सब सेमती हो फास्ट स्मॉल आउ सब कैपिटल शिफ्ट करी करी। What is macro? MACRO macro. Option है a type of high level
recording जोड़ा
programming language, a type of low level programming language, small add-on programs that are installed afterwards if you need them, small programs created in MS Word to automatic repetitive task by using VBA.
ସେଇଟା automatic repetitive जोड़ा
Correct. It is used to repeat a series of commonly used commands with limited user interaction.
ମାନେ ଏଟା recording କରି type ର ସେଟା ଇଏ କଥା
कौन कहला?
ମାନେ one type of recording କରିଥାଏ ଯାହା ଆମେ କରନ୍ତି ସେଟା recording type ର
Hmm. What is Microsoft Word used of macro? Java, Visual Basic, C has C++.
C plus C plus plus.
Microsoft Word uses which language for macros? Visual Basic, VBA ଏବେ କହିଥିଲି। What is the smallest and largest available font on formatting toolbar? ଚାର ଥର ପଡ଼ିଲାଣି ଏଟା। What is smallest and largest available font on formatting toolbar? 870, 572, 872, 570.
872.
872
Correct. Smallest 8 or largest 72 on the formatting toolbar. In MS Word, how is the text in a table aligned by default? Left, right, center, justify.
Left, left,
left
Left.
left
Correct. In MS Word 365, the default font type is what and default font size is what? Options are
Calibri,
Calibri ଏଟା ହଉଛି
11.
8
11.
correct. Calibri 11. Calibri 11.
11 हाँ सर
In MS Word, what is Times New Roman? Font name, font style, bullet type, alignment option.
Font name,
font name
Font name.
Phone name.
Correct. Font name. What cannot be done by using font option in a word processor? Changing the font style, changing the width of font size, changing the font size, changing the color of the font.
changing the words.
Correct. Width
width,
change କରିପାରିବାନି। Which keyboard shortcut ଏବେ କହିଥିଲି is used to adjust the line spacing to 1.5 for the current selection in MS Word?
Control 5,
Five.
Control
control
5.
control five
Five.
Correct. Control plus 5. What? Which of the following is not a valid menu item in MS Word? View, mailings, data, home.
data
Data.
Last,
Data. The status bar is displayed at the dash of MS Word window. Top, left side, right side,
Top.
bottom,
bottom.
bottom,
Top.
bottom,
bottom,
Bottom, correct.
status bar हाँ menu এটা
Saving your current file as a new one without overwriting the original file can be done via which option? Save, save as,
save as,
Save as.
Save as.
Save as.
correct. Press which function key to invoke the save as dialog box in MS Word? F9, F12, F2, F7.
F12.
F12.
F12, F12.
Correct. Which command is used to rename an already open Microsoft Word document? Read
F2, F2.
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 option अलगा ଅଛି. Save, replace, rename, save as.
Rename.
Rename, rename.
ଆଉ ଥରେ. Which command is used
Replace.
to rename an already opened MS Word document?
Save.
Save as. Save
Save
as.
as.
Save as.
Save as.
Correct. Save as.
Save as.
ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ଏଟା କେତେ ବଢିଆ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ନାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର. Which of the following
Option
say
को ନେଇକି
କଣ?
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଅପସନ କୁ ନେଇକି ଦେଖିଥାନ୍ତେ.
ହଁ ଯେ ହେଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ତ ଅପସନ କହିଥିଲି ନା ତ କାହାର ବି ଠିକ ହଉନଥିଲା ପରେ ସିନା ଆଉ ଥରେ ଭାବିଲ. Which of the following saves the changes of a document into a new file? Which of the following saves the changes of a document into a new file? Save as, print.
Save as.
Save
Save
as.
as.
Save as.
Correct. By what name do you know the distance between the written text and the core of the paper? Ruler line, margin, alignment, indent sub.
Ruler
Margin.
line.
Margin.
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 Margin, correct.
ସାର୍ ଆଜି ଯୋଉଟା ସେଣ୍ଡ କରିଥିଲେ ପିଡିଏଫ ଟା ଯୋଉ କିରଣ ଏନସିଆରଟି ର ତାର ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟା ଅଛି ସାର୍?
ଆସିଲେ ପଠେଇଦେବି.
Okay.
Next. The keyboard shortcut to cut something is what?
Control X.
Control X.
Control
Control
plus
X.
X.
Correct. Control plus X. The shortcut key to go to go to menu in MS Word is what? Go to menu. Control.
Control G.
Control
Control G.
G.
Control plus G.
Correct. Which shortcut key is used in MS Word to change the font? Control plus F.
Control plus F.
Plus F. Shift plus Alt plus F. Control plus Alt plus F.
Control Shift F.
Correct. Control plus Shift plus F.
Control Shift plus.
Control plus Shift plus F. Which shortcut key is used to move the cursor to the end of the document?
Control
Down.
End.
End.
Control
Control.
plus
Control
End.
plus End.
Correct. Control plus End. What should be used? Which of the following option will change the word position of the word to? To ର position change କରିବ as p square q is equal to y. ତ square କରିବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ use ହବ? Upload,
Super.
Superscript.
subscript,
Superscript.
download.
Superscript.
Correct.
Superscript.
Correct. Superscript. What is the shortcut key for making the selected text subscript in MS Word? Control plus
Control
equal.
equal to.
Correct.
Control equal.
Correct. Control plus equal. Control plus shift plus equal.
Superscript.
Super.
Superscript.
Superscript. A character that is raised above the baseline and is smaller is known as what?
Superscript.
Super.
Superscript. In MS Word, spelling and grammar button is available in which tab?
Review.
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 Review. What is the keyboard shortcut to center selected text in Word?
Control E.
Control E.
Control plus
Control
E.
E.
Control plus E.
Which of the following is not a page margin? Top, left, center, right.
Center.
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 Correct.
Top.
Center न थाए. Top, bottom, left, right थाए margin. Margin मझिरे तो हेई भी परिबनी. Who shows your position in text? Cursor, blinker, pointer,
Cursor.
buzzer.
cursor,
cursor,
ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କର
ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କର କରେକ୍ଟ। ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କର ଦେଖାଏ ଯେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛ।
ଟିକେ
କର୍ସର
ଡାଉଟ ରେ ପକେଇଦବ।
ଏଟା ବି ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ ଭୁଲ ହବ ନାଇଁ। ହଉ ତ ଭଲ କଥା, ଏବେ ଭୁଲ ହେଲେ ଚଳିବ। Which of the following tab is used to activate ruler option in MS Word? Design, view, review, page layout.
View.
View, correct. View tab. What is the maximum number of columns a table can have in MS Word document? କହିଥିଲି
63
63 correct
63
63 ମୁଁ ତ କରିନି ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ 63 ଟା କଲେ କହିପାରିବି।
ଏକ୍ସେଲ ଅଛି ୟା ତ ଟେବଲ ବହୁତ କମ ୟୁଜ।
To delete backwards in the case of mistakes, which key is used?
Space.
Backspace.
Backspace.
backspace,
Backspace
Backspace. What is the shortcut key used to move directly to the bottom of the Word document in MS Word?
Home.
and
Document
N.
ଯିବା control
ଏଣ୍ଡ
Bottom.
end
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ
control plus
N.
end control plus
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଏଣ୍ଡ
ହେଲା। In preview mode, you can view what? Options are all the pages in your document, only the page you are currently working, only the title page of the document, only the last page of the document.
All
All
the
page,
page.
टाइटल पेज
all page,
all the
One.
page.
All page
Working
correct.
page.
all page preview করছো মানে all page ଦେଖେଇବ। Next, to create a large capital letter at the beginning of the paragraph, command is available in which section of menu bar in MS Word? Insert,
Insert.
review, view, references.
Insert.
Correct.
Insert.
Insert, correct. Insert section of menu bar. Word includes a series of predefined graphics called what that can be inserted into Word document. Predefined series of predefined graphics को कौन कहती जोटा कि
Word.
Word भितर
Icons,
ऑप्शन सारा captions, hyperlinks, clip art, bookmarks.
Clip it. Clip it.
Clip art.
clip art,
Correct.
रिपीट
Clip art, correct. How many lines are dropped by default under drop cap option in MS Word?
3
Tin.
10.
T,
Three lines.
10,
By default, tinta.
Correct.
By default.
Three, correct. By default, three lines are dropped in drop cap option. In MS Word, if you keep typing, the dash feature will automatically move you to the next line. New line, left
एंटर
alignment,
Enter.
text, text wrapping, border adjustment.
Paste wrapping.
टेस्ट
Paste
रैपिंग
up.
टेस्ट रैपिंग
Correct. Text wrapping feature will automatically move you to the next line. In MS Word, the border and shading option of table properties can be used to apply what? Orientation, border, margin, mailing.
Border.
margin,
Border.
Border.
border,
बॉर्डर
Correct, border. Which of the following mouse can be used to select a paragraph in MS Word? Triple left click, single left click,
Tin.
double left click, single
Triple.
ट्रिपल
left.
ट्रिपल
Triple.
Triple left click.
Correct. Triple left click. Shortcut key to undo previously done is what?
Z.
Z.
कंट्रोल वाई
Control Z.
control plus
ना
Z,
सॉरी
Control
जेड
Z.
Correct.
Y,
जेड
Y,
जेड
Z. Control
Control
plus
Z.
I do,
undo କହିଛି control plus Z. Redo control plus Y.
वाई
Which keys do you press together to select the entire document in MS Word? Control plus
कंट्रोल
W.
ए
control plus E,
Control plus A.
ए
A for apple. Select the entire document in MS Word. The selected portion of a text is called what? Formula, function, block, method.
ब्लॉक
Function.
Method.
function,
third,
ବ୍ଲକ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ ଯେତିକି ପୋର୍ସନ୍ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରାହେଇଥାଏ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, which of the following are the types of alignments allowed in MS Word? ଗୋଟେ ବି ହେଇପାରେ, ଦୁଇଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ, ତିନିଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ, ସବୁ ବି ହେଇପାରେ। ଅପସନ୍ସ ହେଲା ଲେଫ୍ଟ align, right align, center align, justify।
ସବୁ ଜାଗା,
All. All.
All correct। Which tool rotates a text box or image to the desired angle? Text tool, rotate tool, design tool, crop tool।
crop,
Rot-
crop,
crop.
rotate tool,
Rotate tool correct। crop tool कौन? Rotate tool rotates a text box or image to the desired angle। What is the minimum and maximum size of zoom comes in MS Word?
500
2400,
ନା
Dot
500
through.
500
20,
ଦଶରୁ
10 ରୁ
ପାଞ୍ଚ,
Dot ରୁ
500
500।
correct। 10 and 500, minimum 10, maximum 500। In document, the amount of vertical space between lines of quantity is called what? Single space, line spacing, vertical spacing, double space।
Vertical space.
Vertical amount of vertical space between lines of quantity।
line space,
Line,
Line space.
line spacing କି
correct, line spacing। The default alignment of paragraphs in MS Word is what? Left, right, center, just
Left.
left left
left,
Left.
left,
Left.
left, correct। In MS Word, shortcut key Control plus I is used to what?
Italics.
italic
italic,
italic,
Correct, italicize the selected text, which is not an option of menu bar in MS Word. Insert, internet, home, page layout।
internet,
Internet.
internet,
internet,
Which of the following is not a valid paragraph alignment in MS Word? Left, right, top, justify।
justify,
Justify.
top
top,
top
top
top,
of
Top
Top.
correct, top nahi। In MS Word, hyphenation option is available under which tab? Hyphenation, view, insert, page layout, margins।
view,
insert
Page layout.
Page layout correct। page layout रे hyphenation ଥାଏ। ଚେକ୍ କରିବ ତ ଟିକେ hyphenation ଏବେ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ। Which of the following options is not a MS tool, that is Microsoft tool in text font group? କୋଉଟା ନଥାଏ? underline, overline, bold, italic।
Overline.
overline,
Overland.
overline,
overline। କଣ ୱାର୍ଡ ସରିବନି ନା କଣ ଆଜି? In MS Excel, what is the shortcut to hide a row? Control plus
control
1, 5,
plus
8, 9।
control
9.
plus
Control plus
plus 9,
9,
9.
Correct. Control plus 9 to hide row in MS Excel. To hide outline symbol 8. Control plus 8. Show or
Control.
hide. Show or hide the outline symbol. Control plus 8. Apply or remove strike through. Control plus 5. Control plus 5. Open the format cell dialog box. Control plus 1. Which is a spreadsheet package? VG Scale, Snowball, Unity, ADA।
VG, VG scale,
simple
first,
ବୋଧେ
Snowball. Snowball is an example of spreadsheet package।
physical ଟା ବି ସେଇଟା ପା spreadsheet ଟା
VG Calc ଅଛି କି?
ହଁ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା
Spreadsheet package। ଆଉ ଥିବ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବ। Which option
Arihandra,
which option is used to display the content of an active cell in MS Excel? Which option is used to display the content of an active cell in MS Excel? Ruler, scroll bar, formula bar, title bar।
formula
formula,
bar,
formula bar
Formula bar.
Correct। What is the shortcut key to minimize a workbook window in MS Excel? Control plus F3, F9, F5, F7। Minimize a workbook window.
F3,
F3.
F3 F9
Control plus
F9
F9. F9। In MS Excel spreadsheet, pie chart is used to compare data in what? Numbers, proportion, cubes, quantity.
Proportion.
Number.
Proportion.
Sir,
proportion,
proportion. Proportion.
Correct. Data in proportion. What is the shortcut key used to apply filter in MS Excel? Control plus Shift plus K, Control plus Shift plus C, Control plus Shift plus L, Control plus Shift plus M.
L.
L,
L.
control plus C plus L.
Correct. Apply a filter. Control plus Shift plus L. What is the option in MS Excel that refers to display only rows that meet certain conditions? Pivoting, sorting, filtering,
Pivot.
merging.
Pivot.
Filtering.
Filtering.
Sorting,
Sorting.
Filtering, correct. Filtering. Displays only rows that meet certain conditions. Filtering. Which is the which of the following is used as a text function in MS Excel? Text function. Selling function, trim function, date function, rate function.
Same.
Rate.
Trim function. It is used to remove irregular text spacing and keep single space between words. Trim function is used. अच्छा ଯେମିତି trim ସେମିତି ନାଇଁ. Which of the following tabs in MS Excel has the option to remove duplicate rows in a worksheet? Which tab in MS Excel has option? View tab, Formula tab, Data tab, Review tab.
View.
Data tab. To remove duplicate rows from a worksheet in MS Excel, click Data tab, then click Remove Duplicate. What should be the address of the third cell of the fifth row in MS Excel? Third cell of the fifth row. C5,
Third cell.
5.
5C, 35, 53.
Uh-huh. C5. C5.
C5.
C5.
Correct. C5. What is the default alignment of numeric values that are entered into the cell of MS Excel worksheet? Left, right, center, justify.
Left.
Default alignment
Right.
of numeric values. Right.
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 In MS Excel, concatenation of text can be done using which of the following symbol? Apostrophe, exclamation, ampersand, hash.
Ampersand.
Correct. Ampersand. Which symbol or character is used to enter formula in the cell of an
Is equal to.
MS Excel worksheet?
Equal to.
Correct.
Equal.
Equal sign. While entering data in a cell of an MS Excel worksheet, which key can be pressed once to cancel the entire contents of the cell? Tab, escape,
Escape.
backspace, delete.
Escape.
escape,
Backspace.
Escape. Entire content କହିଛି entire. ତ escape. The feature that fills up forms etc. automatically with preset values is called what? Filter, filler, autofill,
Autofill.
instant fill.
Autofill.
Autofill.
autofill,
Correct.
Autofill.
Autofill. Which of the following state uh, in MS Excel, cells on other worksheets in the same workbook can be referred to by prepending a dash symbol after the name of the worksheet to begin the cell reference. कौन कहला ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲିନି.
ଆଉ ଥରେ sir question ଟା.
In MS Excel, which symbol is used after the name of the worksheet? ଏବେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି. Which symbol is used after the name of the worksheet to introduce cell references to cells on other worksheets in the same workbook?
Bookmark.
Option ହେଲା exclamation point, colon, percentage, asterisk.
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 asterisk,
रेफरेन्स ପାଇଁ କୋଉ ସିମ୍ବଲ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍କସିଟ୍ର କିଛି ସେଲ୍ର ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଯଦି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍କସିଟ୍ର କିଛି ସେଲ୍ ସହିତ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ଲାମେସନ୍
ହଁ
ପଏଣ୍ଟ
ସେଟା ପାଇଛୁ।
ଏକ୍ସକ୍ଲାମେସନ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ବେଷ୍ଟ which of the following function is used to return the number of days between two dates in MS Excel ଦୁଇଟା ଡେଟ୍ ଭିତରେ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ୍ ଡେଜ୍ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୋଉ ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ ଡେ ଡେଟ୍ ଡେଜ୍ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ
Dates.
ଡେଟ୍ସ
ଡେ
ଡେ ନା ଡେଜ୍ କୋଉଟା
ଡେ
ଡେଜ୍
ଡେଜ୍
ଡେଜ୍ DAYS returns the number of days between two dates in MS Excel. Which function in MS Excel is used to search for an item in a range of cells and then return the relative position of that item in the range? Lookup, match, VLOOKUP, choose.
ଭି ଲୁକଅପ୍
VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP.
Match. Match. Match function is used to search for an item in a range of cells and then return the relative position of that item in the range. Wrap text option. Wrap text option is available in which group of home tab in MS Excel? Wrap text.
ଇନସର୍ଟ
Font,
ଇନସର୍ଟ
cells, alignment, styles.
ଟାଇଲ୍ସ
styles
କୋଉ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ଥାଏ ହୋମ୍
ଆଲାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ
ଟେକ୍ର କୋଉ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ଆଲାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଲାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ
ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ଥାଏ ଆଲାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ wrap text. In MS Excel, which function key is used to instantly change a cell reference in a formula to absolute? F4, F2, F12, F10. Quickly change a cell reference in a formula to absolute.
F10
ଫୋର୍
F2.
F4. F4. Dash is a computer program that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Textbook, workbook, spreadsheet, numbers.
spreadsheet
ଡେଟ୍ସ
Spreadsheet.
Correct. Spreadsheet. Then କହୁଥିଲି ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ନାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ନାଇଁ କେବେ ଅଛି ଅଞ୍ଜନ କେବେ ଅଛି ଅଞ୍ଜନ ଅଛ ନା
କାଲି ଅଛି
କାଲି ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଅଛି
କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଆଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର 100 ମାର୍କ ଜିକେ ରୁ ବି 100 ମାର୍କ ମ୍ୟାଥ 100 ମାର୍କ ଆଉ ଇଂଲିଶ ଓଡ଼ିଆ 100 ମାର୍କ
କେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ
6 ଘଣ୍ଟା
ମ୍ୟାଥ ରିଜନିଂ ବାଇ ଶହେ ନା
3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହଁ
3
ମ୍ୟାଥ
ଘଣ୍ଟା
ରିଜନିଂ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲେଖା
3
ଛଅ
ଦିଟା
ଘଣ୍ଟାରେ
ଶିଫ୍ଟ ହବ
400 ମାର୍କ
ହଁ
400 ମାର୍କ
ବହୁତ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି ଯେ
ପୁରା ଦିନ ମାନ ଚାଲିଯିବ 9ଟାରୁ 12ଟା ପୁଣି 2ଟାରୁ 5ଟା
2ଟାରୁ
2ଟାରୁ 5ଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଫ୍ଟ ଆଉ 9ଟାରୁ 12ଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଫ୍ଟ ଦିଟା ସିଫ୍ଟ ହବ
ମାନେ 6
ଅଲଗା
ଘଣ୍ଟା ତମେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବ
ଅଲଗା
ପରୀକ୍ଷା ନା କ'ଣ
ଭାଇ କୋଉଠି ପଢିଛି
ଏଇଠି ବଢେଇ ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଗୋପାଳପୁର
ଗୋପାଳପୁର
ଓକେ
ପାଠ ଅଫିସରେ ବହୁତ
ଯେତିକି ତମେ ପଠେଇଥିଲ ସେତିକି ସିଲାବସରେ ଅଛି
ନା ସେଟା ଜିକେ ର ପଠେଇଥିଲି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ହଉଛି ଅଫିସ ୱାର୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସେଲ
ନାଇଁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ତ ଜାଣି ବୁଝିଗଲି ଯେ ମାନେ जीएस ଯେତିକି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ସେତିକି ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଥ୍ ବି ଯେତିକି ଅଛି ସେଇଠି ଶୋ କରୁଛି ସେତିକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଇଂଲିଶ ବି ସେତିକି
ଇଂଲିଶ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଶିକି 100 ମାର୍କ।
ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ବି ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଓଡ଼ିଆ ତ କାହିଁ ପଠେଇନ ତମେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଟା ଖାଲି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଗ୍ରାମାର ସେମିତି ଲେଖିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତା ସିଲାବସ ଦେଇଛି ନା।
ସେ ତ ଗ୍ରାମାର ଲେଖିଛି ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଭୁଲ କଣ ଗ୍ରାମାର ଦବ ସେ ଗ୍ରାମର ଲେଖିଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପୋଲିସ କଣ ଏକ୍ଜାମ କରିବେ ହଉ ଇତିହାସ ଟିକେ ପଚାରିବା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ସ Where did Congress Working Committee meet to pass Quit India Resolution of 14 July 1942? Where did Congress Working Committee meet?
Wardha.
Correct.
Wardha.
On 6th July 1942, at Working Committee of Congress, Mahatma Gandhi discussed for the first time Quit India policy. Who was the president of the committee, Working Committee of Congress? राजगोपालचारी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, आनी बेसांत.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Maulana
Sorry, Raj. Maulana.
Abul,
मौलाना अबुल
Abul
कलाम।
Kalam Azad was the president of Working Committee of Congress. At the time when Indian National Congress passed Quit India resolution, the president was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad.